The positive coronavirus news continues in Maryland. Key numbers remain steady despite the recent ease of restrictions. As we know, this pandemic has hit the hospitality industry very hard. But now, after being closed for months, hotels are reopening. The hotel at the University of Maryland is welcoming guests with safety precautions. It launched a new program called Ever Strong, focused on four things: physical distancing, cleanliness, active monitoring, and rapid response.
So that when our guests are here, they're comfortable and they know that anything that they do, they're going to be able to do safely, and we're going to take care of them. This is ongoing, and it really is dependent on each one of us to do our part to get better with it.
The hotel has taken high-touch, reusable things out of guest rooms, and they're making whatever they can electronic. Today, the Pinnacle Racetrack will reopen its doors to the public. Visitors will be able to use part of the clubhouse to watch and bet on horse racing at other tracks. Staff and visitors are being asked to wear masks and stay at least 6 feet apart. There's no live racing at this point, though. Only simulcast is being offered. The Baltimore Teachers Union files a grievance against Baltimore City Schools. Teachers had to work an additional 4 unpaid days back when the pandemic first started because they were prepping for the move to virtual learning. The union says it negotiated a contract that only allows teachers to work a maximum of 190 days. This year, they worked 194 and they want back pay. City Schools says it is disappointed to learn of the grievance, but it respects the union members for all the hard work during the year. In Baltimore County, the school board wants to hear from you. Until the end of the month, students, parents, and staff can take a survey about the upcoming school year. It's looking for feedback on preferences for virtual learning and feelings about returning to school buildings. The information will be used to plan for the fall, focusing on health and safety. Governor Larry Hogan puts more than $45 million into education. Some of the money will go toward technology improvements and rural broadband initiatives. This comes after students faced challenges when learning transitioned from the classroom to online. The money will also help with community college development programs and competitive innovation grants. The Clydes of Columbia closes its doors for good. This location along the lakefront in Columbia has been around for 45 years, but will close Saturday, July 18th. The concert venue, the Soundry, is also closing. Officials blame the closure on years of struggling sales, the pandemic, and challenges that music venues now face.